Hello everyone and welcome to a new ServiceTonic video. In this video, we will give you an overview on the CMDB. The CMDB, or Configuration Management Database, according to ITIL methodology, is the system that records information about assets used in a service using entities known as CIs, or configuration items. It also allows us to register the relationships between these various CIs. To access the CMDB, we go to the CMDB option in the menu and then select the predefined views. But before accessing these views, let me mention that we can also configure a new dashboard that stores all the information we gather about the devices in the CMDB. As we can see in this dashboard, instead of tickets, we have a general view with the information about all the devices in the CMDB, such as those under repair or a list of devices that need to be replaced, and even a list of all the preventive maintenance scheduled for this month. Once we've reviewed the dashboard, we can proceed. To do this, we access one of our predefined views. In this case, we will select the view of London equipment. As we can see, we display all the CIs with the fields configured for this view, and in this case, they also meet the criteria that the equipment must belong to London. Like the rest of the application, we can also filter by fields within a view. We open the CI type and select Printer. As we can see, we don't just have printers, we have contract, we have laptops, office, servers, you name it. Now, let's proceed to view all the information about a specific CI. As we can see, we have detailed information about this asset type. For example, for a printer, in this case, we see the manufacturer, we see the serial number, the IP address, etc. Within the asset information, we can access various containers, such as the contact section, which shows us the contacts directly associated with this device. We can also check attachments, which in this case include this invoice and a technical document about the device. Then we have relationships, where we can see all the CIs related to this one. We can view this in list format, but we can also see it in a graphical format. In this case, we see the printer connected to a Windows server in the London office. If we want, we can even click on the London office, and as we can see, by double-clicking, we access the London CI and can view all the devices connected to the London office. Additionally, in the item section, we have the tickets related to the CI, such as incident, problems, or changes. With just one click, we can access the ticket and review what happened, such as in this case where a reservation has been made for this device. We also have the geolocation container, which, as we can see, shows that it is located at the London offices. Here we can view the address in text form, but we could always switch to a more graphical format with a simple click. Finally, in the top banner, we have quick access to view the QR code for this device. As we have seen, the CMDB allows you to store detailed information about each CI, categorized by type. For example, a PC will have different information than a printer or a laptop. All CIs can be linked directly to a contact, geolocated, identified with QR codes, and even generate alerts for any event. For example, a desktop PC could be directly related to a monitor while indexing the software installed on the device. Finally, these CIs can also be linked to tickets, which simplifies tasks such as opening incidents or creating preventive maintenance tasks, as we have all the necessary data about these devices. And this concludes the overview of the CMDB. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to contact our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.